Talk to anyone who owns a Tesla and has suffered the misfortune to have an accident in one, and there are likely one of two things they'll tell you. In the case of a major accident, they'll likely tell you how lucky they are to have survived the accident, express relief that they own a Tesla, and say how sad they were to have their car written off and how they replaced it with another Tesla, because if they weren't in a Tesla, they may not have fared so well. Or they'll tell you about the scrape, bang, or some other minor mishap they've had, and the length of time it took to get that damage repaired. In fact, most post-accident repair is one of the worst parts of Tesla ownership, according to the majority of owners I've spoken to, with many seemingly simple repairs like bumper or door replacements taking weeks or even months, simply because the repair shop has been waiting for the part to arrive from Tesla. In some cases, owners are left driving rental cars or courtesy cars while they wait, something that's a mild irritation to many until the repair takes longer than the amount of free rental that the average insurance policy gives customers while their cars are repaired. Add this on top of the high insurance cost associated with Tesla ownership. Teslas aren't involved in any more accidents than any other car, but when they are, the repair costs are far higher, and it's not exactly a great talking point when promoting the brand. Tesla's answer to high insurance costs was to start working with underwriters directly to offer special Tesla insurance policy products to customers at the time of purchasing their car. And now it's making the same switch to try and tackle wait times for repairs by bringing those repairs in-house. Over the last weekend, Elon Musk took to Twitter and confirmed the shift from using external collision repair centres to in-house ones, something actually Tesla floated back in May 2017, stating that outside firms taking weeks or sometimes months to repair cars was driving Tesla owners and Tesla crazy. The goal, he said, was to have Tesla body shops with a full stock of all parts to ensure that body repairs could be carried out as quickly as possible, with some repairs even taking place the same day or even in the same hour. Interestingly too, Musk suggested that the in-house repairs would be able to go ahead without needing to be approved by insurance companies. It's not clear how that would work, because if the insurance was denied, I presume Tesla would be on the hook. But it's likely that Musk is referring to customers who have Tesla's own insurance, which I'm guessing would make it a lot easier for Tesla to have essentially a pre-approval list of repairs its underwriters would trust Tesla's word for without requiring a visit from an engineer or damage assessor. Tesla has been operating a few in-house repair shops already, and the response from owners has been very positive. Earlier this year, it changed its training and certification program for those third-party body shops, making it possible for fully certified body shops to work on its vehicles without compromising any warranties. That said, any third-party shop wanting to repair a Tesla needs to spend a hefty chunk of change to ensure that it has all of the correct approved tools. And this whole thing is a little unfair to third-party shops too, because unlike most automakers, who sell official parts and spares to parts companies who can then very often deliver the required parts in a day or two to the body shop, Tesla doesn't sell any of its parts to third parties. As I understand it, it doesn't allow third-party shops to stock commonly used parts, and that means whenever a Tesla is into repair, the body shop is beholden to Tesla to provide it with parts. To date, Tesla's been slow in sending those parts out, focusing on producing cars rather than focusing on the spares. In other words, Tesla's shift to carrying out in-house repairs is fixing a problem that Tesla itself created, not by having a robust spares supply for third parties. It's essentially the same problem that Apple-authorized repair centers suffer. The wait to repair is governed by parts availability, nothing else. What will it mean for Tesla customers and Tesla if repairs are being done in-house? Well, aside from reduced wait times, Tesla may be able to lower insurance costs for owners, since it will likely be able to repair cars for far less than a third-party shop. And of course, it adds another revenue stream for Tesla, something that it would very much enjoy. But for third-party shops and customers who live outside of major metropolitan areas with Tesla repair centers down the road, it could be bad news. It's not clear how Tesla plans to address issues in those cases, but I'm guessing it'll be a choice for customers to use a local body shop or have Tesla come and pick the car up. What do you make of this change in accident repairs? Is Tesla solving a problem it created in the first place? Or is it just looking after its customers, making sure they're kept happy and that their cars are repaired in double quick time to Tesla's own standards? Let me know your thoughts below. That's it. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.